Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Vid Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can connect your Bybit Exchange wallet for an airdrop. Hamster Kombat airdrop is around the corner, so let's quickly do this. Do not forget, no wallet address, no airdrop. No exchanges, no airdrop. So let's quickly dive into this. Navigate yourself to your airdrop sessions and let's do this. Okay, as you can see, Hamster Kombat has added a lot of exchanges now. There is Binance, there is OKX, there is Bybit, there is Wallet Telegram itself. There's EBI Exchange and the one chain airdrop, which was used as a default exchange, which is Stone Wallet. So today we're going to switch from this Stone Wallet. So what do we do next? Quickly grab your phone and click on Bybit KYC Exchange. Click on the Bybit. If you click on the Bybit, it will bring you to a place of this very nature, whereby it will be asking you, do you have a Bybit account? You need to add a wallet. If you do have the account, that is good. Click on yes, I have. If you do not have the Bybit account, you can register here. I've mentioned this earlier. But if you do have, as you claim, you proceed. You're going to use your Bybit deposit address. You're going to use the Bybit UID, which I'll show you how to find it. And you're going to use the Bybit memo. Right? You're going to use the Bybit memo. So after using the Bybit memo, the next thing you just need to do is to click on this place, save and choose. Then it will be done. Then after that, you can no longer choose any other exchange. So think carefully for the exchanges you want to add. But for today, we're going to use Bybit Exchange as I promised. So now we're going to go to Bybit Exchange to check for the wallet address of the hamster memo, and also the hamster UID. No, also the Bybit UID, which is your own Bybit UID. Right? So let's quickly go to Bybit. So this is the Bybit app. So if you come to Bybit app, what you're going to do is very simple. Okay. Come close to your asset here. You're going to go close to your asset. If you click on the assets, you're going to click on the deposit. If you click on the deposits, you're going to choose deposit crypto. If you choose deposit crypto, you're going to click on here to search for hamster, which is HMSTR. Search for hamster, HMSTR. Then you're going to click on it. If you click on hamster, this will pop up to you, telling you to ensure a seamless deposit experience. Please ensure that you use the both hamster deposit address 1, hamster deposit memo or tag when making a deposit. Failure to do may result in loss. So you see, this is a very important notifications which you must go through. Then click on OK. Then if you click on OK, it's very simple. These are things you're going to copy from here. Okay, if you copy this from this place, take it we are going to take it to Hamster where we link in our Bybit. Then we'll paste them there. The first thing you are going to copy, as it was mentioned there, is what? Is your Hamster wallet address. You're going to click on this to copy. Then the second thing you're going to copy here is your what? Is your tag, which is known as memo. It's your memo. This is the second thing you're going to copy here. And the third thing you're going to copy from this place for you to be successful in your Hamster Kombat linking is what? Is your user ID. How do we get the user ID? Let's go back. Yeah, let's go back. Okay, let's go back. So if you go back to your dashboard, you're going to take yourself to here where you see the sign of this picture. On reaching there, click on it. This is where you find your user ID. This is where you find your user ID. Just copy the user ID. If you copy the user ID, then you are done here. Paste them all on Hamster. So let's go and paste them now. Right? Let's go and paste them like right now in order to finish our Bybit wallet connections. All right, let's go there. So you can see everything has been fixed here. The wallet address is here. You can see the UID, the wallet address, and the memo. Everything is completed here. Okay, it says, look at this carefully before you proceed. Say, after choosing, you cannot change withdrawal options any longer. So you now come to this place to click on save and choose. Let me click on save and choose now. It's success. It's telling me thank you, well done, stay tuned with updates. This is completed. Now you can see that this place says Bybit Exchange is been ticked. Right? Bybit Exchange has been what? Is been ticked. So this brings us to the end of this amazing class today. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.